Hi everyone, Stephanie here. I wanted to come on today to talk to you about our Flawless 4 kudos that's going on in June. So with the kudos, it is $99. It is a $40 savings, and this is what you get. You get your Glorious Primer, your liquid foundation in any shade you want, your concealer in any shade you want, and your foundation brush, okay? So I am going to actually just do a quick demo to let you see just how amazing these four work together. You will literally have a flawless finish by using these four products. Now I'm gonna kind of show you my face without anything on it. This is the scarring that I have to deal with on a daily basis. And watch this. So you start with your Glorious Primer. You only use a tiny bit, just like that. You put it all over your face and it gives you this powdery, smooth finish. Now what primer does is it fills in any gaps, crevices, wrinkles that you might have, and it just smooths out your face. It also gives your foundation something to adhere to. So that means that your foundation is not seeping into your pores. When you put it on, it is adhering to the primer, which means that you're gonna have healthier skin. Already, my face looks smoother. It feels amazing. It feels like so nice. And you just put that on first. Then you're going to take your foundation, and it's so important that you mix it because it is a mineral product and it does settle. So just mix it for quite a while, about, I don't know, 15 seconds or so, to make sure that it really mixes well. The foundation does have a dropper to make it kind of easy, and so actually before I mix it, you would want to empty the dropper and then mix it so that there's no product in the dropper that settles. Okay, so the brush that comes with this foursome is a foundation brush, and it has a divot in the middle where your foundation actually goes. So let me show you this. So I'm gonna take my foundation, I'm gonna put some into the dropper, and then what you do is you literally just drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I do 8 just because I have all of this. And then you take your brush and you want to dab it on. And then you are going to buff it with your brush. Now, because of my scarring, I might have to go over just those areas that really bug me. Like around my chin area. But if you notice, it's already doing a great job of covering that scarring. Let's go to this side. Feels so smooth. You would think that liquid foundation would feel heavy, and it doesn't. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Okay, so this was just with the 8 drops that I used. Now again, I have horrible scarring, so I'm gonna go back over here just a little bit to get this scarring that I have here, and just a little bit over here. Now what I like to do is I like to actually just take some from the cap here, because you really don't need a lot. I'm going to just dab it on my problem areas, and then I'll go back in and buff it. You can also just take your little wand, just smear it on a little bit. But if you notice, everywhere else looks pretty good. It's just in those little tiny problem areas that I have. Okay, so let me try again. So I put it on some of my problem areas. And there you go. That is the coverage that you are going to get with this Flawless 4. Now remember, you also get your concealer, and you get to choose the color of concealer that you want. So if you're trying to cover up spots like on your face, then you want to get a concealer that matches your foundation. But if you're wanting to cover up circles under your eyes, you're gonna wanna get a concealer that is a little bit lighter. So let me just show you how good this concealer works. So I have a couple of spots still showing through because, again, my skin is so scarred. I use just a tiny bit. This is the same color as my foundation, and look at this spot. Completely gone. Just smooth it out around. Let me find another one. Look at this spot. And I just tap it on top. Our concealer, tiny bit, our concealer is opaque, meaning that you cannot see through it. So if you create a nice, or put a nice amount on there, you're not gonna be able to see through it. So another one, another one. Let me look on this side. Right there, right there. And then I would just smooth it out. I think that's good. I think we're good. So there is my flawless finish using our Flawless 4, our Glorious Primer, our liquid foundation, our foundation brush, and our concealer. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to color match you. And let's get you looking flawless, ladies. Thanks. Bye.